Bordered by the Arabian Sea, the Ambuja Nagar plant site at Kodinar in Gujarat has long been blessed by lush crops and rich vegetation. But water, a once abundant resource, was becoming scarce due to excessive irrigation and over-exploitation of the depleting water table. The region was thirsting. Something had to be done to arrest salinity, restore the water table, and renew supply of fresh water for drinking, farming, and household use. This is the story of how the Ambuja model of water management at Kodinar successfully reversed the tide. Listen to what a local farmer has to say.
પહેલા ખેડૂતો પાણીનું સિંચાઈ મશીન દ્વારા કરતા. જ્યાં સુધી મશીન દ્વારા ખેડૂતોએ પાણીનું સિંચન કર્યું ત્યાં સુધી તો પાણી ખારું પાણી એટલું બધું જોર ન માર્યું. પણ જ્યારથી ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી આવી અને ખેડૂતોએ સતત 24 કલાક લાઇટ ચલાવી અને ભૂગર્ભમાંથી જેટલું પણ જળ હતું એ સિંચન કરી લીધું ખેતરોમાં બીજા ઉપયોગમાં, તો દરિયો નજીક હોવાને લીધે ખારું પાણી અને જમીનમાં ખારાશ એટલી હદે વધી ગઈ. સવાલ એ હતો પીવાના પાણીનો પણ પ્રશ્ન ઊભો થઈ ચડ્યો.
A series of water management interventions were undertaken between the Gujarat government, the Ambuja Cement Foundation and the people of the region, with valuable support from the Sir Ratan Tata Trust. Let's walk you through a few of these model interventions carried out around the mother plant at Ambuja Nagar. Multiple interventions thus help to harvest water, raise the water table, and prevent salt seawater from advancing into cultivated areas. The Ambuja Nagar model at Kodinar can be successfully replicated in other geographies which need comprehensive water management.
यहाँ से 3 किलोमीटर दूर अरणेज विलेज के पास वहाँ एक छोटा सा चेक डैम बना के पूरा एरिया का पानी को कैनाल, पक्की कैनाल, लाइनिंग कैनाल बना के 3.5 किलोमीटर की, और हमने 2006 में उसको माइंड आउट जो भी पीट्स थे, खाली पीट्स पड़े थे, उसमें पूरे रेन वाटर को हार्वेस्ट किया.
A commitment to responsible mining has ensured that mined out areas are converted into water bodies.
This is a unique case of win-win situation wherein company is mining limestone, and after mining the area which remain vacant is used for water harvesting.
The land has been transformed with orchards, farms, forests and pasture land. Even the birds have returned. This eco-friendly model of mining has become a blessing for the community. The final prosperity index, overall agricultural productivity of the region has increased anywhere from 1.5 times to as much as 3-fold. What's more, all these water management and conservation methods are sustainable in the long term. The Ambuja Nagar Kodinar model has indeed shown the way. The partnership between the government, industry and the community has reversed the tide. The Ambuja Nagar Kodinar model has shown that the benefits of industrial development can flow straight to the people, again and again and again.
An Ambuja Cement Foundation initiative.